Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into part 2 of the HyperEVM Tour with Meow Samma. This is a tour on Superboard with $3,000 in USDC and super points in rewards. So we will complete 4 of these quests today. We have 8 more left to go, so we will split it up. But we have Hyperdrive, HyperLend, stake on Kinetiq? We'll figure that out. And stake on StakedHYPE. So get ready. We got 100 in super tokens to collect. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. If you do need any help navigating these quests or campaigns, I have a Discord. Link is down below. The bot was down. It is now back up. So get in there, get verified, and check me out on Twitter, Broke1500. Yes. The BCR142. Check me out. I share a lot of stuff here that I can't get to on the YouTube. And I co-host a show called DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. And we're going live tonight, talk about Plume and all that fun stuff. We went over Pi Squared the other day, so that was fun. But yeah, you can catch our show on Twitter at _DCA. And the host, Veteran Crypto. Catch him at Veteran for Crypto. And great DeFi mind, crushing it. He's crushing it. So we are doing a lot of good stuff. We got a lot of alpha that we're bringing. And check out our brother channels here. Everyone that's in the house. So bada bing, bada boom. Let's get into it. So start off Hyperdrive. We're going to lend on Hyperdrive. Make sure you hold the campaign pass. Now lend any asset on Hyperdrive. I understand the risk. Okay, let's get into it. Let's zoom this in. Connect our wallet. Hyperliquid. So any asset. Let's just do this Hype LST market. And we'll deposit. I'm just going to put 0.01. 0.010757696028961957. You know what it is, black and yellow, black and yellow. No, that's stupid. All right, we land on Hyperdrive. There you go. Now you can redeem. Just push it to the max, and then you can use that on the next quest. You know what it is. Get that super, get that super. Okay. Hit that max. So redeem. Did we get it? Or did we just approve that first one? Might have to do 2 separate. Okay. Yeah, do 2 separate ones. And then here we go. Lend via HyperLend. Bada bing, bada boom. So we'll hold the campaign pass, lend any asset on HyperLend. So in HyperLend, you'll earn points. Hyperdrive, earn, borrow. And all kinds of markets that you can earn up to 8.5%. Ooh, nice. Let's see this supply APY. You can earn up to 9% with USDE and a 20x point boost. Nice. So here, lend any asset on HyperLend. Let's make sure. Oh, we got to connect our wallet. I thought we connected, big dog. All right, Hype. Do about the same amount as last time. Now this will be a good place to store your funds during the bear market when the bull market is pretty much topping out. You're gonna want to stick some funds in places like this. Woo, 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 woo. There you go. That way you can still earn some yield. Like, you're earning 9% off of however much you made in the bull run, and you just set it and forget it. Okay, so in order to get that back, go to your dashboard. You'll see you supplied. Click on this right here, and in this box, you'll see withdraw, and click maximum, because you want to get it all back, son. Okay, withdraw. Oh, never mind, it's already out. Okay, claim your rewards, and we be out here. All right, we're gonna stake with Kinetiq. Okay. All right, we're gonna go over here. And stake, oh, swap, I'm sorry. Swap or stake. So swap, no minimum, stake a minimum of 5 hype. So we're gonna swap on here. .001. Oh, no, where's, oh, swap. We gotta click right here and put in the swap amount. Okay. And with the swap option, there is no minimum amount. Okay, let's see. Boom, boom. All right, we've gotten 3 down. So one more, StakedHYPE. Yep. Okay, StakedHYPE, one more. All right, we will stake this hype. Stake the hype via StakedHYPE and receive StakedHYPE. DeFi ready, son. We gonna be DeFi ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the DeFi? Are you ready for the DeFi master? Are you ready for the DeFi master? All right, we're gonna put just a little bit in there. We're gonna stake some hype. Yes. We're gonna stake some hype. Just .001 or 00001 or whatever you want. Just make sure it's a little bit. And let's see right here. Boom. Oh, when you're right here, yep, you stake, put in the amount, that's what you receive, and you can unstake, which I'll do right now because I already approved it on the other platform. So we getting our token, our super tokens, claimed that shit. We got our StakedHYPE back. I mean, you can keep it staked if you want, but I'm just doing it for the campaign. All right, let's check our progress. And that should be it for this video. So we got 4 more left. Nice, very nice. So there you go. Have fun, but HyperEVM giving out some rewards in USDC. I mean, it might be $1 or $3 per person. No, there might be more than that, but yeah, right now only 82 have completed all of them. So there you go. Have fun with it. And also, yeah, check out the Discord if you need any help. I'm trying to think of anything else. But yeah, I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.